Time to move on to doing the washes now, and for this I'm going to use oil paints. As you can see, I've got my cardboard palette out, which I've put some on to drain. Top over here is Shadow Brown, the Dark Flesh Tone or Shadow Flesh, Buff, Dark Mud, Light Mud, and Faded Dark Yellow, which I don't know if we're going to need or not, but it's on there. So what I'm mainly probably going to use for now for this demonstration is the Shadow Brown colour. Alright, so that's going to go in all the recesses, all the sort of, prominent areas here, I suppose, if you want to call it that, which will then obviously add some definition and separate the parts. So just as a quick demo to see how it was flowing, how the oils were working, I've done the bonnet already, which is just obviously this raised part in the middle. Okay, so you can see the what we're going to achieve. So what I'll do is we'll just do this part here. We'll do the parts on the top so you can see it flow. I'm not going to touch the roof. We're going to do that different. So usual thing. Just put out a little bit of odourless thinner in my little tub. Again, we're using the same brush as we used before for doing the enamel rust wash. Bit of thinners on the brush. Again, bit of a napkin, just unload. Try and keep a bit of control, and then what I'm going to do is just touch and flow basically. So any details here you want it to stand out. Any staining as well, which is what it's good for. Okay. So we've got nice panel line there where these two parts meet, and some little bolts. So as you can see there, look, just a bit of a wash. If it spreads out, don't worry, let it dry, easy to clean up. Just a quick note as well, this is not been clear coated in any way, shape or form. This is just the paint as it is, which does come out with the Vallejo's as a semi-gloss. So being oils, again, once they dry, they are very easy to clean up with a bit of a clean odourless thinner. So plan is you've got the general gist there of what I'm going to be doing. We'll just so the knack is to get it to just the right consistency for it to flow. Again, overspill like that, you see, you can use for your advantage when it's dry. So what I'll do then is carry on rest of the vehicle, get the wash on, and then we'll come back and show you how easy it is to clean up. So once your paint's fully dry, as we can see here, they'll go absolutely matte, flat. It's time to start tidying them up. Okay, any overspill, anything we don't like, is easily adjusted with, again, a tiny bit of odorless thinner. Okay, you just want the brush, barely holding any at all. You don't want to flood the area and reactivate it. So the basics are just gently manipulate it to where you want it to go. Again, because oils blend so well, they're just quite nice and easy to clean up. And just be mindful of keeping your brush clean, as it will pick it up, and then if you don't want it spreading all over the place. But you can go from a really sharp pin wash, if that's what you require, to making nice stains and marks all over. So we'll just clean the brush. Always keep your paper towel handy next to you. Okay, so just basically all we're doing is just unloading any excess water, and then just dabbing it around the part where you want to clean up. So again, if you're a bit tighter with your pin washing, unlike me, you're going to have less clean up. So the more practice is, like with anything, the better you'll get at it. You can do streaking and all sorts of effects, to be honest, with it. And again, if you vary your colours as well, you can fade in and different washers for different parts of the vehicle, depending on environments and things like that. It's endless with oils. They're just so versatile. It's just a fantastic product. So again, what I'll do is just instead of watching me for the next hour or so just cleaning up wash, probably not going to be the most exciting thing to see. I'll get this cleaned off and then come back, show you the end result, and then we can move on to the dust and the mud. So I'll carry on with that, and then we'll see you again soon.